Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have created this whole different look. Alright, so NYKAA had this Pink Friday sale and I bought few things and I wanted to talk about it. So this is kind of a haul video and I'm gonna use all the products, mostly all, and I'm gonna show you how to achieve this look. I hope you like it and yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I have these two boxes with me. This is the box and I have lip kit from Malvika Sitlani. So it's a Smashbox into Malvika Always on Mini Matte Duo. And I really love Malvika. I watch her videos and I'm really inspired from her. I also bought this Smashbox Prime Water Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. It's a really good one. So as I bought these two, I got this Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. The samples. I also got a Vitamin Glow. And I also got a mini lipstick. This is in shade Audition, I guess. Yeah. So these are the products. And I also have two concealers with me. So one of them is from LA Girl. I just ordered a backup because mine was about to finish. So I also got a Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C10, I guess, and I wanted to try it out since really long time. So yeah, that is it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with my Vitamin Glow primer. It's mostly like gel based. And it feels so good in my skin. It has this lemony, tangy kind of a smell and I really like it. Next I'm gonna go with my Glam Magic Potion Roll-On Illuminator. Alright, so next I'm going with my La Shield Sunscreen. Next I'm gonna go with my Correct and Conceal. Okay, so next I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in shade 220 Natural Beige, and what I'm doing is that I'm taking a little bit of my rose gold oil from Beauty Company and I'm gonna add that to my foundation. Just this much. So you might have seen this that a lot of people add illuminators or what is up with the light. Okay, so they add illuminators or oils or serums with different foundations, and it is because the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is actually for mostly for oily skin, and but I really love it, and it can be a little drying, especially in winters. So what I like to do is that I add my serum or oil or anything, and it just makes it more dewy and it gives a more dewy finish. That's why I add illuminators, oils or serums in the foundation. So you can see the glow. It's still shining through. So I got these two concealers from NYKAA as well. This is in shade medium beige, which I said that I wanted to just buy it for a backup. And I got this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal. I'm not sure about the shade, but I hope it's the right one. So about this, I really love the packaging. It's so beautiful, it's so cute. And it comes with this applicator. It's kind of like a lipstick. Okay, so I really hope this is my shade. It is a little lighter. Alright, so I really like the concealer. It is not too heavy on my skin and my eyes, and it gives nice coverage. Like you can really see my dark circles are concealed, and it has also brightened up my eyes. So yeah, I'm glad that I got the right shade. It is a little lighter, but I like the brightening effect. So now I'm taking my Cinema Secrets loose powder. I'm gonna bake my under eyes. So what you have to do is take the powder and literally dab it under your eyes like this. Alright, it's time to dust this off. So this is the first time that I have tried baking, and I kind of like it. Alright, so I'm gonna go once again with my blush. Now I'm just taking my powder again and applying it a little bit of on my T-zone. So next I'm going with my eyebrows. You guys already know how much I love Miss Claire eyebrow cake. Can you see the difference eyebrows makes? Like, it's unbelievable. I really don't know what I'm doing with my eyes today, but I'm just going with the flow. So I'm taking my Revolution by Petra palette. This is how it looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna go with this shade right here. It's called Pretty Please. Next I'm going with this shade right here. It's called Green Toner. I really love this palette actually because it is really pigmented, like you can see. And it's really not expensive. I think I got it for around 1200 to 1500 bucks. And I think for that it is really not expensive. They have given like a lot of shades, so if you are a beginner looking for a good, inexpensive palette, I think this is your go-to. Okay, next I'm going with this yellow shade right here. It's called Canary. I'm gonna shift to smaller brush. Okay, so I'm going in my eye, in my inner corner. Okay, next I'm going with my shimmer. I'm gonna add a little bit of the shimmer on my eyes. So I'm gonna take this one right here. It's called a wedding cake. See, I was right about the pigmentation. It is very, very pigmented. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on my center of the lids. Don't apply too much of pressure. And I'm gonna blend it out. Alright, so I'm going again with my purple a little to define the outer corner. So I also got this lashes from NYKAA this time. I have tried putting my lashes for, I think, twice, and I just can't do that. I mean, it's really poking my eyes, because my eyes are really sensitive, so I just can't go near with lashes. But I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna see how it turns out. And not today though. I'm not really in mood of that. But some next time maybe. So you cannot probably see it on the camera, but lashes, like curling your lashes and mascara, does make a lot of difference to your whole look. Now I'm taking my Colossal mascara. I really like Maybelline mascaras. They are super cheap and they are really, really nice. Okay, I know this might be a little too zoomed in, but I wanted to show you how much difference does it make. See? So curling and mascara is really, really important. I'm gonna go with the same purple shade in my lower lash line as well. So moving on to the next step, I'm gonna do my powder, blush, powder contour, and highlighting. So for blush, I'm taking my Benai palette. I really don't like the pink blush. Like, I normally go with more like a taupe or a little bit of the peachy tone, because I just really don't like it. Alright, so next I'm going with my Hoola bronzing. I really love this contour. Hoola is really good. Next, I'm using my Forever 52 highlighter. Look at that glow. I love highlighters. I think most girls, most females do. So whenever I put highlighter, I'm like, yeah, it just gives me a lot of confidence. I'm gonna take a little bit near my eyebrows as well. I'm not taking too much, but yeah. Alright, so coming to my favorite part. Okay, I really love her. Like, she's truly inspiring, and I started my YouTube channel because of her, because I really love her and I love what she does, and I wanted to do something same. Alright, so I have two lipsticks from this, and one is her favorite go-to driver's seat. I really like the shade. And the next one is Babe Alert. So I'm gonna swatch both of them on my lips. I'm gonna show you how does it look like. So I'm going with my liner first. I'm using MAC lip liner. And now I'm gonna go with my Babe Alert. So the great thing about Smashbox 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 lipsticks are that it looks different on every skin tone. So this is how it looks on me. I'm wearing the shade Babe Alert, and I really like it. I mean, look at that. It's a little pink, and how do I say? Yeah, it's a little pink taupe kind of a color, and I really like it. So now I'm going with my driver's seat. So this is more like a corally, dark, deep coral kind of a shade, and I like both of them. I'm not really sure which one to pick though. Yeah, I like both of them. Alright, so yeah, she came up with this other lip kit last year, and it had one of my favorite shade. So she had driver's seat and stepping out, and I really love stepping out. This was the lipsticks. This is stepping out, which I really love. It looks good on me. It's a little like nude brown kind of a tone, and I really love this one, and I'm almost over with this one. And yeah, alright, so this is how the whole look turned out, and I'm really liking the look. Like, I really love the yellow and the purple, and I really love the lipstick. I love everything about this video. I hope you enjoyed going through the products that I bought, and I hope it was helpful. And yeah, I think I did a lot of talking in this video, and I am really liking that. So I hope you do too. And yeah, that is it from me today, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll see you in my next one.